Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the third episode of Talks with Natalia. I guess we're gonna wait for a while. Yes, for all the people together. Hi, guys. Welcome to the third episode of Talks with Natalia. My name is Natalia Mufutau, and today I will have a pleasure to talk to Lekan John Agbainaki. I guess we might have to wait for a while for him. But meanwhile, it's been a week now. I had the pleasure to talk to the Blessing, the therapist, and the relationship coach last week. I hope you enjoy our discussion. Oh, Lekan is here already. Okay. Is he? No, he's not yet. No. I can't see him. Oh, Lekan, are you here? I cannot see you. Oh, yes, I can see you now.
Yes, I'm here.
Olùkọ́mi báwo ni?
Mo wà pa ìyàwó ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò Talks with Natalia.
Ẹ ṣé gan-an, atọ́kùn.
Kọ́tọ̀pẹ̀. Àwọn olùwòran fẹ́ kí n ṣe àfihàn ìyìn èdè Yorùbá.
Ọ̀nà wo ni a fi ṣe àfihàn ní èdè Yorùbá?
Yes. Okay, so oni olùkọ́ orúkọ ẹlẹ́jọ́mínilín Adénílárayá òṣèré àti oníṣòwò.
Naija, please stop.
You cannot understand anything what I'm saying.
I'm getting it, but you are messing with my head.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, yes. Now,
but that was awesome. Bravo.
Thank you. I should go. I have 4 teachers at home, so you know.
Yeah, I know.
So let me just introduce you officially. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a pleasure today to talk to Lekan John Agbainaki. Yes, a Nigerian actor, entertainer, and a businessman. Yes, thank you for accepting the invitation. It wasn't easy, but we made it.
We made it.
Yes, we made it. Okay, so we're going to talk about business and pleasure. Let's start from pleasure. As far as I know, you are from Ogbomosho.
Yes.
And then is the town of warriors where you eat amala before you're drinking pap. Can you please explain to Oibu, like in the simple English, what does this mean?
You have done your research very well.
I'm trying,
Okay, you have done very well. Hello, Naija wife. Let me say hello to you and everybody first, so that I can. Yes, good evening, Naija wifey. How are you doing? So happy to be here. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you for inviting me. I will come again whenever you invite me. You already know that.
Yes.
And thank you for giving us those 3 wonderful kids, Yacoob, Camille, and Adam. I know they are a handful, but they are super awesome. And trust me, they are superstars and the whole world is looking out to every next thing they are doing. So thank you for that. So on behalf of Nigerians, we appreciate you so much. On behalf of the Yorubas, we appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. All right.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, you wanted to say something? Please go on.
I just wanted to say that, you're an amazing teacher and I love the passion, your passion. And that you do it from the bottom of your heart, and you are very patient as well with them. And anytime they see your video, they're always like, "Oh, look at me! Oh, look where is look at me?"
That's very awesome. All right, let me give them one of you.
Yes, I want to hear about Ogbomoso. Yes.
Everybody say big now.
Dada.
All right, so you want me to explain Ogbomoso, ìlú tí wọ́n ti ń jẹ kàkí wọ́n tó mú nǹkan yangan. It simply means ẹ̀kọ́ yangan means ogi, pap, pap. So that is supposed to be breakfast normally.
Okay.
Do you understand? You take that for breakfast normally. And amala, oka is amala. You understand that? Amala is normally for like lunch. Normally. Do you understand that? But in Ogbomoso, the love that we have for amala, we will even have amala before breakfast.
Okay.
So that's what it means. Like you people are different. Like, how do you have amala before ekonyogon, which is supposed to be breakfast? Do you understand? So now, when you see us, like, okay, these people love amala so much, they have amala as breakfast even before they even have pap. Do you understand? So that is where it erupted from. Ogbomoso, ibi tí wọ́n ti ń jẹka kí wọ́n tó mú konyogon.
Yes, but what did you chop amala with?
What do we have amala with?
Yes, what do you eat amala with?
Amala is permeable for almost all the soups.
Yeah, I know, but normally for the breakfast, is there anything specific that you guys eat?
No, anything normal. Begiri, abula, ewedu, ila, ilasa, egusi, efo, and so on and so forth.
Okay. I love amala actually, but in Europe it's difficult to get the same quality as is. So we are suffering. Yeah. Yes. Do you get the Nigerian one in South Africa?
Yeah, there are Nigerians that sell Nigerian foodstuffs here, so they always get the shipment all the time. I get it. I have it in my kitchen.
Okay. Yeah. I had another question because I know you're a good cook.
Yes.
So what would you advise to my husband? He's he's trying, but he burns most of the pot.
You cannot be calling my brother out on this show.
No, with love. I call it with love.
Okay, to Mr. Waliu Mufutau, please stop burning our pot.
He's trying, but he's trying.
It's just interest. If he's got interest, then he's going to. So you work on his interest to know and learn. And then, he will do his best. Can you see his comment? He said you are in trouble.
No, it's going to be okay. No, it's just trying, and we are both business people, so it's sometimes difficult with the kids and everything. But he's a good husband. Did you hear?
Did you hear? Are you still there? That is the damage control.
So, Lekan, tell me, where do you get your energy from? Because you are so energetic.
I don't know. I've tried to explain that part a lot of times, but I fail all the time. It just comes. I don't know. By next week, Monday, I will look back and wonder, okay, on Monday, there was a motivational, skit. In the evening, I dropped another one. Tuesday morning, one. In the afternoon, there was one. Wednesday, Thursday, me and Yacoob, Camille, Adam. Friday, me and Comfort. Saturday, the storytelling. Sunday. I just look back at last week and I'm like, oh, how did I do that? I think it's just better. I don't ever realize how I get to do it. But I get to find out that, oh, I did it. So I think it's the grace of God.
Amen. So then what do you do if you have some dull moments? Like how do you deal with that then?
I try to remember that it takes only 2 veins to smile, and it takes about more than 10 to frown your face. So I'd rather choose easy than hard.
I have to keep that in mind.
I want to switch to Wi-Fi quickly.
Yes? Okay. No wahala. We can wait.
And we're back.
Yes. Ekabo again. So yes, the next question. So many successful people have had some moments of hardship in their life, and I feel so sorry to learn that you've lost your parents where you were quite young, and you are the last born. So, and you are now a very successful man. So how did you turn all this situation into the success?
How did I? Well,
it's not an easy question.
My mom, my mom is now my angel. you know, up there. And my late dad too is my angel up there. So that is what keeps me going every time I think about the sad part of it, that, oh, how I wish they were around. Then I realized that they never left me, you know. They are always there. They're always watching me. So I always have that strong belief that, you know, God and my two angels in heaven, I can achieve anything. You understand that? And with my personal drive and self-belief, I can get anywhere. So I see them often in my dreams. So I don't feel like I miss them, you know. And I've turned that to a source of strength instead of making it a weakness. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what I love of Nigerians about that. You guys, you have such a strong belief in God, and it really helps in life. I mean, myself as well, and I know how important it is. It gives you I don't know, it gives you hope anytime you go through different
Any
stuff.
hardship.
Yeah, but think where you are at the moment. You know, every one of us has a journey to be where we are at the moment, and that you are here and you can smile. But if you think what you had to go through, then it's another thing.
That's it.
Yeah. You call yourself a Yoruba culture influencer, and yeah, we can confirm that. So where did the passion come from?
From Ogbomoso,
for the tradition,
from my hometown,
for the warriors town.
From my hometown, you know, my hometown. The language of our immediate environment is Yoruba language, and it's not just the Yoruba language, the very deep dialect of Yoruba language. You understand that? So when we speak, maybe even Lagosians find us funny when we are speaking our Yoruba, because it's the deep one. Yeah, you know, maybe, you know, for example, if a Lagosian want to ask you what is wrong with you, whether aggressively or nicely, kilon share, that's a little touch. But from my own part, I would say kinin siona, kinin siori, kinin sio. You see, it sounds different. So when I say that in Lagos, like kinin siona, they will know, oh, this one is from uptown. You understand that? So Ogbomoso is like my major inspiration, because we were so proud of our mother tongue. And we always, in fact, I started learning English like maybe at the age of 8 with my Dino. Because my brother was obviously already ahead of me education-wise, and then he already understood English. So I would give him my Dino because I want to also be able to mingle with people in school when they are speaking English. So I will ask him to teach me English. I will give him my Dino, although he didn't know so much English too. But it will just teach me, you know, the little he knows. Yeah, so Ogbomoso inspired me culturally. And then I realized that Yoruba culture and language might be dying out if we don't embrace it, because people now see it as Raz, which is not supposed to be. I'm not Raz, but I love Yoruba language and I speak it all the time. So yeah, that's changing the narratives as well, and letting you know that you can be modern, you can be westernized, but your mother tongue and your language and your culture remains core. One time.
Yeah, but this was something that it took me a while to understand why, from my experience, why Yoruba people, Nigerians, why they are ashamed or they don't want their children to speak their own language. This was very. I'm from Poland. We speak Polish. Of course, it's a little bit different situation because this is the one official language, so it's easier. But I'm proud where I come from, and
I'm back.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm still here. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm used to it. Don't worry. Yeah. No, I was just saying. Why do you think people are ashamed to speak Yoruba?
I don't know. It's just. It's ignorance, you know. How can you embrace the language of another man more than your own mother tongue? Do you understand? How would you say you have to fit in? You have to be able to speak English to fit in. I mean, it's just a means of communication. It's not your mother tongue. So your mother tongue is your pride. You should embrace that more, not the other person's language, because you can't speak another man's language more than the man himself. but the man cannot speak your own language more than you. So why don't you buttress and, you know, and be proud of your own language, culture, and values? One time.
I would be listening to my husband. Yeah, I'm enjoying the conversation. But if you love Nigeria so much, so why did you decide to move to South Africa?
I love Nigeria so much, but moving to South Africa does not have anything to do with my love for Nigeria. Do you understand? Moving to South Africa for me initially was after I buried my mother. I wanted to find a place to clear my head. And my friend was living here. So I just finished from college. I just finished 7. So I could be able to, you know, to start my own business and everything. So I came over here like 2 days after my mom's burial. And when I got here, you know, I found it very interesting, very lovely environment. The infrastructure is awesome. And it's a very permeable environment for the kind of passion that I have. So I thought, yes, I could live here. So we started doing fashion. We brought a tailor from Nigeria, a fashion designer. Yeah, so we do, you know, we had a couture. We called it warehouse couture. So we always measure people, sew clothes for them. After that one, my friend went into Big Brother Africa. He came back. We traveled to Nigeria, you know. So entertainment started growing gradually. And then I realized, yeah, I could live here. And it's a place where it's an enabling environment for the kind of product that I offer.
So what are the main differences between Nigeria and South Africa? Like in terms of living conditions, for example, or environment?
You get quality of life that you pay for here. I mean, if you pay for electricity, you get electricity. If you pay for water, you get water.
Yeah,
if you pay for this, you pay this. If you pay your tax regularly, good roads are sure, you know. But in Nigeria, even if you pay, you won't get what you pay for. No offense, no nothing, but
why is it not more difficult? What do you think?
Is it more difficult for what?
For the business, to establish the business and to grow the business.
Yeah.
Where is it more difficult?
I wouldn't say it's more difficult somewhere than somewhere. It depends on how you work it. Do you understand? And what I find difficult might not be difficult for the next man. Where you will make it is not where I will make it. It could be easy for me here and you come here and it's so hard. I could live in Nigeria and it will never work, or it will work for me well, or maybe I've not even found out how much it will work for me if I've lived in Nigeria. So I'll never find out until I try. But so far, I love it. I connect a lot. I travel a lot. I'm not isolated here. I travel a lot. Yeah, so then I go to Nigeria often. I don't know. I can't see people's comments rolling up anymore. That is why I'm baffled. And I really want to be seeing it.
Yeah, we will have some time in the end to ask so the people can keep commenting, and then we will.
I can't see the comments anymore. It's not rolling. The last comment here is Anolu Akpo and Ajoke Latifa.
Oh. No, I see that they're in Solar 8.
Okay, they are still commenting.
Yeah, they're commenting.
Even everything is just like stagnant. The number, everything. But I can see you. Anyway, let's keep going. Everybody say even if I can't see.
Yes. What could be improved based on your experience in Nigeria when it comes to culture and language preservation?
You said what?
What could be improved in Nigeria based on your experience when it comes to culture and language preservation?
Interest. And
okay.
Interest is like the major thing. Whatever you are not interested in, you would take it for granted, you know? So first of all, the grassroots is interest. They have to direct the interest of people from tender age. As a matter of fact, as they're giving birth to kids, you know, a phone call was going to come in, so I ended it. So yeah, if kids could be taught the values of culture and language and how important they should take it from from tender age, and they make sure that they teach them in school more often and direct their interest there. Most people don't have interest in Yoruba classes when I was in school. They see it as one of the extra bonuses, you know. I wish I appreciated my Yoruba teacher more. My Yoruba teachers, wherever you are, I love you all so much, man. You know, I appreciate you all so much for not giving up, despite the fact that most of them did not have interest. I've always had interest in Yoruba because Yoruba is my thing, you know. That's what I'm comfortable with. I make grammatical errors a lot. I don't care. I have H factor. I have whatever factor they want to think about. But those factors are not in my mother tongue. So I don't care. So you get it. Interest is the core, you know, is the major thing. When people start getting interested from when they are kids, like my boys, Yacoob, Camille, and
I think that, yeah. Okay. Lekan left. I think there was a network problem. Let's wait for him for a while. And meanwhile, guys, you're welcome to ask the questions. So we have a chance in the end of the show to ask Lekan. I hope that maybe this time it will be more than 2 questions. I'm happy to see all of you here. Is Lekan back? Yeah, I know it's all about network. Yeah, I've been several times to Nigeria, so I experienced the similar problems. Yes, Lekan is back.
I'm back, I'm back like I never left. Agbainaki Republicans, I am back. Oh yeah, I am back. Mode, mi Ọlálẹ́kan àtàwọn ọmọ wọn nílùú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ bí wọ́n ti jẹ kámú tó mú kọ yẹn gan ti wọlé Mode mo wá wò ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Mo wá wò ìyàwó ọ̀rẹ́ mi Natalia Naija wife ìyá Yacoob ìyá Camille ìyá Adam ìyá Olúwaṣe ìyá Táyé Káyìndé. Don't worry, I know you don't understand a lot of
yeah, his mother, I know. Yeah. I'm very yes, I will surprise you next time.
Okay.
So let's go to the next question then. All right. You are the CEO of the Kingkong production company. Yes. You're a content creator as well. So where do you get the inspiration from?
The inspiration comes from different things. I can wake up and feel like, okay, today I want to talk about food, you know? So, or maybe no, not like that. Maybe I might be cooking and think, oh, I can make a video with this food and, you know, just say something about it. I do it. Something might be going on social media, maybe something trending, or maybe there's an issue that I think I am interested in. I don't usually poke nose in things that don't concern me. But if it concerns people that affect me, you know, maybe something that affects the general masses or something, I could jump on it to do something about it. For motivations, I could hear something. Even maybe on this show, I may hear something and then I pick my pen. Majorly, inspiration is also on my wrist. You know, when I pick my pen, I write, and then, you know, I eventually just say, oh, nice, cool. What else? My fans, my family. I said fans because I just want you to understand the context. I don't want to say my family so that you don't go thinking I'm talking about my mate. But I don't address them as fans. I address them as families because your fans love what you do, but your family loves who you are. You understand? So these people
said.
Yeah, so these people I see as my family. You understand? So yeah, they inspire me so much. Their response, their feedbacks. A lot of people send me messages in the DM, you know, saying different things about, oh, thank you for everything you do. I appreciate it. Oh, it gives me joy, this, that. Oh, you have helped the kids. You and the Yacoob, Camille, and Adam. We can't do without watching your show. This, you know, all these kind of things give me joy. You know, there are feedbacks that makes me want to do more because I know, yeah, it's impactful. and people are getting something from it. I'm not a controversial person. I don't like things that are controversial. I avoid drama a lot, you know. So
yeah,
anything controversial or dramatic, I usually don't jump on it, or I take my time. If I must, I analyze the situation critically before I bounce on it. So yeah, inspiration comes from different places.
So how did you create such a strong relationship with your followers, with the family?
It's natural, by just being myself. I like when I'm reading their comments, they crack me up so bad. When I'm reading their comments, they crack me up so bad. When I'm on live video, there are people that will start spiting me with things. Like 2 nights ago, something happened. There was a lady that called me. She was wearing blue contact lenses. So I didn't realize maybe I was smiling a lot when the lady was on phone, but I didn't mean anything. And then they all started throwing blue hearts, blue things, different blue things. They are saying probably I'm tripping for the lady, you know. Different things just keep us together. I'm silly. They know I'm never serious. They know I'm a very, very unserious person. But the serious things of life, I don't take it as a joke. I take the serious things seriously. So they know me for who I am. They just don't like what I do. They like, you know, and I like them too, just the way they are. So yeah, we flow. It's just like breathing, the synergy.
How do you deal with these ladies, you know, that being attracted to you online and stuff? Like, what do you do?
How do I deal with? I don't deal with anybody. I entertain everybody. I just
equally.
Make sure that I make sure that we respect each other's boundaries, and then we are fine.
Okay. So what if someone would like to start their career in social media? Like, what would be your recommendation, your advice?
First of all, you have to know your strong point. And secondly, don't lobby people. You know, don't think that, oh, as I'm starting, yeah, I'm doing something, but I need this person to help me to post or to do something for me, to do me a favor before I can get out there for the world to know me. No. If you believe in your passion and you know your strong point and you know that you are not doing wrong, keep doing what you're doing. It doesn't take, you know, forever for people to notice value if you truly have value.
Yes.
Do you understand? So if you lobby people, you will devaluate yourself a little. But when your value begins to grow, people will want to associate with you. People will even lobby you themselves. People will come and say, please, let's do something together. You would not need to ask them. So focus on your passion, your strong point, and, you know, keep doing what you're doing. The reward is coming one time.
So, if I'm the beginner, like where would you advise me to open the account at? Is it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, maybe?
Will I advise you to?
Yeah, I mean, as the first account, I'm new to social media. And which one would you recommend to start from?
I don't think I don't think there's one that is more, you know, superior to one. Do you understand? All of them have their own different function. So I would advise you to open an account on every platform immediately, so that as you are posting here, you are posting the same thing there, you are posting the same thing there, you are posting the same thing there. Don't forget that the crowd on Twitter, they are different from the crowd on Instagram. The crowd on Instagram are different from the crowd on Facebook. The crowd on Facebook are different from the crowd of YouTube. Although some of them are interwoven, but trust me, they have their own independent crowds. And every different platforms have their own behavior. So you need a behavioral approach to every single platform. You can't talk to people on Twitter the way you talk on Instagram, or else Wakajeje, you will enter, you know, Google, be careful, you will enter Express. They will drag you, you know, you have to be careful, you have to be logical where you address them there. On Instagram, you have to know how people, you know, behave, how they relate. On Facebook, there are a lot of my mothers, my grandmas, on Facebook, you have to know that when you are here, you know the content and the kind of things that you give them. Do you understand? On YouTube, I mean, it's the accumulation of all the platforms that you bring the crowd there. So you can give them something general there. You just have to logically approach everything. But advice is make sure you have all the platforms one time.
Okay. So what about the monetization of the social media channels? For example, if I would like to monetize my Instagram account.
Do they monetize Instagram account? Just make sure you have a good fan base, and then people want to use your platform to advertise their things. Instagram does not monetize, no. But YouTube does monetize. Yeah, it takes time, it takes hard work. I think 4,000 watch hour and more than 1,000 subscribers. But even at that, you must work hard to get people to go view, and then you attain and reach your goal there. Yeah, that by the side. Facebook is monetized now too, but you have to get certain view. So it's just all about this.
I knew about it, but I didn't know about Facebook.
My Facebook is monetized, although it's not a lot of money, but they do pay too. And it's ad breaks, so they check it out. So what matters is consistency, passion, focus, persistence, and then you will get there. Before you know it, don't focus on monetizing first, focus on getting there first. When you get there, monetizing will come like a dream overnight,
So do you think that, what is your unique selling proposal? Like, why are you so unique? Why people love you so much? What do you think?
I don't know. Maybe we should throw that question out to people.
Yes. What do you think? Well, yes.
Because
I'm curious to know.
I don't see anything special about me. I just believe I'm living life every day. That's all. And there's a voice that speaks to me in my head. I listen and I wait. I relax. I always wait for that voice to speak, And I never go wrong when I listen to that voice. So I don't think I do anything that is special, unique, or, different. But maybe we should throw that question out if people have different opinion. I don't see anything special about me. I'm just me. And unique.
I see that the comments that you are original, you are funny, you are himself, yourself, consistent, you are consistent.
Okay.
And intelligent, amazing.
Oh, am I?
Good vibes, different.
Thank you, my people.
See, anytime you have a bad day, just give me a call, and you see, you hear people praising you. But let's get back to the content, because I'm curious about.
Can I quickly ask something? What is Comfort doing here? Can you please help me to send Comfort out of this platform?
Yeah, I know what about your wedding then? Are you not going to marry her? Are you going to send your wife to be away?
Do you want us to end this program now? Or you want us to go to the next question? Niger wifey.
It depends, because it's women to women support. Yeah, so you have to be careful of.
Don't worry. Leave the women out of this one now. Let us continue the show. I will deal with Comfort later. She's already in trouble. She's running away.
Why?
Don't worry. We'll sort it out later. Niger wifey.
Okay. I ask questions. I told you. It's like my son. Yes. I wanted to know about the copyrights and the intellectual property. How do you deal with like, have you ever experienced any breach of your intellectual property?
Yes. But I don't bother. I don't used to bother, because everything I do, I just do it so it can reach people majorly, most times. And I saw a channel on YouTube, Joby TV. Yeah, Yoruba Pikin, please help me to type the name of that channel. Yeah, Mr. Waliu Mufutao, please help me to type it. Yeah, Joby TV, so that everybody that is watching now can report them on YouTube. They've been posting my things and Comfort's skit. They've even robbed Comfort so much because before Comfort even got on YouTube, I thought they have been posting a skit on their YouTube channel. Do you understand? Which is not right. And they always post it. They've never asked for my opinion. They didn't seek my consent. neither did they seek on. You understand? So I think that's the only thing I've experienced any copyright, And the other one is not something I'll talk about on here. I know some people that stole our idea. You understand? They've stolen they've stolen a particular idea. Maybe you are aware about it, but it's not something we're going to talk about here.
Yeah,
you understand?
Right, yes.
But there's one thing. You can't do it like we do it. Do you understand? So keep doing it, because you have the funding, the platform, and the opportunity and everything that surrounds it now. What have you? Do you understand? But you can move ahead. Thank you for keeping awareness and drawing people's attention to that place for us. We are coming. No problem. We definitely the original, and we're going to kill it. So they always, I notice, I always check every night now. Every time I post, I see their handles now. They view. They don't like. They don't comment. But I know they are viewed. You understand? They even view the story. They want every single content so that they can load it up. But everything that we have given over the years, we have only given the fingertips. The boy is loaded one time. So yeah, we can do it better. We kill it. No problem. So yeah. Content theft, I'm usually not bothered about it because I have something better tomorrow. One thing about content is that no matter how dope your content of today is, after people watching it, they are looking forward to what you have for them tomorrow. So I look ahead and move ahead. I'm thinking ahead. And tomorrow's content is what matters to me. So still today's own. I have another one tomorrow. You are the one that will get tired of stealing. That's all.
I think that's the good attitude. And then you do whatever you're supposed to do and don't look back. And just, yeah, work hard. And I think passion and love for what you are doing, it's even your followers, the family can see that. So I'm not worried about that at all. But I wanted to know the story behind, your cooperation with Yoruba Pikin.
Oh, okay. Let me switch on the lights quickly before I go on with that. Okay. I'll be back.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're back.
Okay.
So my cooperation with Yoruba Pikin, I was just surfing the net one day, and then I came across, I think it tagged me on a video where Yacoob, Adam, and Camille were speaking Yoruba. Anytime anybody tags me on a video where kids are speaking Yoruba, I have a weak point. I have a soft spot for kids. I love kids so much, especially when I see kids speaking Yoruba. They give me so much joy because I know that those are tomorrow's generation, and there's hope for tomorrow that somebody will speak Yoruba after we are gone. Do you understand? So I was so thrilled now to see them that they are, they are mixed race. I saw, oh wow, look at these Yoruba boys. So immediately I saw that. I think I commented on the page. I can't remember vividly. Usually, things happen fast. I can't remember what happened. Maybe I commented on the page and then I went into the DM. Because I've been thinking of, doing something with kids. I've been thinking of, different projects, and I've been working on several. Do you understand? But I wanted something proper. So when I saw them, I thought, man, we can start a lesson, a Yoruba lesson. So I was the one that approached him. I don't think he didn't tell me about it. Yeah. I always say, when I see value in something, I don't wait for them to come and tell me about it. I go for it like, yeah, there's something special here. Let's work on it. Do you understand? So I told him, yeah, let's do it. Let's do something. It's going to be like a class for the kids and this. He was excited about it. He welcomed the idea. And then I said, okay, this is how we are going to do it. I would write the script. The first one we did, I actually wrote the script out very well. I said, I'll write the script, I'll shoot, then I'll send it to you. Then you are going to help me to run it through the kids. You teach them, you make them to, say it, and then you shoot the video, then we edit it and put it together. And one time, it's going to work. So we were waiting. And then maybe a week before we started the first one, then I saw Tunde had not posted Yoruba Pikin. I was so excited. Now, wow, look at my boys. Yes. We are
Mm.
ready, So then we shot the first one. It was a banger. We shot the second one. It was a hit. People loved it. It's too late to stop now because every time people send me a video that, see, my child is watching and learning. Thank you
Oh
so
my.
much. I always send it to him. Now, can you see what you have cost now? That you have given me work. As a matter of fact, during the week, he knows that one of our toughest work during the week is editing the video of Yacoob, Camille, and Adam.
I know because
He
I
stays...
complain to him that he's in the front of his phone instead of spending time with me. So yeah.
Please take your time.
I will try. I will try.
So yeah, at first I always do all the editing. Then I saw him started editing too. I was like, hey, okay, you have gotten work for yourself. So I will just do the first editing, joining the video together and putting the sound and everything. Then I send it to him, and then he was going to do the subtitles and all the animations and everything. It's been awesome. It's been great. Yacoob, Camille, and Adam, Oluwaseun, Taiwo, and Kende,
Yeah.
they have been a source of inspiration for a whole lot of kids across the world. And once again, we Yorubas, we are proud of you for giving us 3 awesome, wonderful boys that is going to sustain our heritage and culture, even when they are abroad. One time.
Thank you, but I just wanted to say that there will not be more. So enjoy, enjoy what you have.
That's not our
appreciate
business.
it.
That's not our concern.
Thank you. I appreciate that you didn't ask.
We don't know if Yoruba Pikin wants a little girl that is going to,
Please, let's not go there. Let's not start this conversation. No, I just wanted to say that Ekusha, well done. I'm so
Thank you,
both of you guys, because both so passionate about it, and basically we didn't know each other before all this started, and I just like the way you approach this project, just with an open heart and with passion, and it was like
I look forward to it every week.
Very open-minded. Yeah. Thank you. I'm very happy. And also, I have to say that I'm very proud of my husband as well, because...
you have to be. He's doing a great job.
Yes.
It's not easy, man.
Speaking Yoruba to the kids, people were just like kind of being skeptical about that. Like, okay, Yoruba, you're going to speak Yoruba. Okay, that's fine. And they were just watching us, watching. And then my mother-in-law came to Finland, and then she kind of like, she made an Yoruba influence stronger, since she spoke only Yoruba to Yacoob. That was the beginning, and then Yacoob was one. Then the twins, there were the twins, and then since the very beginning, actually, I think the Yoruba is I think it's better than Yacoob's Yoruba. Even though Yacoob is elder, but I think they all have a very good foundation. I'm amazed, because I hear stuff, so I know what they repeat, and I see I can see a huge development. Actually, they learn from every
they will speak better than Yacoob, but at the end of the day, Yacoob will still speak better than them, because
the age.
Because Yoruba says, it means when the little ones are trying to pull down a plank in the forest, it is the elderly one that knows where the plank or the tree is going to land. Do you understand? If they are trying to uproot a tree in the forest, the elderly man stands and say, okay, cut it from this side, because if you cut it from here, it's going to land here. So Yacoob is elderly. Do you understand? He will grab more things before them, and he will teach them more, and they will eventually be better than him, but they will still not know some things that he will know. Yeah, it's going to be that way.
I understood Agbainaki is strong, from what you said.
Agbainaki
is strong? No,
not strong. Elderly person.
But my mother-in-law used to say to Yacoob that he's Agbainaki.
Agbainaki is the eldest.
I understood it's strong. Okay. Thank you for the lesson.
You're welcome.
Could you tell us more about your production company and the latest movies that you recorded?
Oh, Kingkong Productions. production company that has a record label that is maybe on pause now, but music empire is still going to be big one day because of my passion for music. I'm not going to sing, but I'll grow a music empire someday. You know, in life, speak it is going to happen, and I've said it, and it's going to happen. So one time on the side. Then on the production, right now we are producing Boju Boju. Boju Boju is a web series. You know, there's not a lot of Yoruba web series. Do you understand? And especially for people to access. Do you understand? So yeah, we thought about it, and Boju Boju is like 8 seasons, and then this is just season 1. We've only dropped 2 episodes. And like, if people have been saying on my page, we have been shooting. So we'll continue with episode 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be something weekly dropped. Do you understand? Other than that, there are other projects on board that we're still trying to buttress. There are bigger companies that I've heard about in Oki TV that have approached us to talk business to, you know. And then under Kingkong Productions, the Call More program is also on our TV, you know, TV. I'm sure you know that, but I'm still yet to put out the, you know, the proper advertisement for that. I have it. I already sent it to your husband. Yeah, so we'll put it out properly. Then other movie producers brings, you know, their content. I have like maybe like 5 people on board, in person of even Tunde Kelani. Baba Tunde Kelani is like one of our legends in Nigeria when it comes to movie production. So yeah, we have like 5 of his materials on Inoki TV, which is a privilege, and I'm so happy and excited and grateful to the man for that. Do you understand that? And then there are several other producers that we have their content on Inoki TV. Also, we have a website now, inoki.tv. Yeah, guys, you can visit inoki.tv. So if you go to inoki.tv and you have a content that you want to submit to our TV, you understand? So yeah, we'll review it. You can submit it there. We'll review it. If we check it, if it goes with our brand and something that we can put on our TV, then we'll send you a contract. You understand? So for every 1,000 views, you get $100. Do you understand that? So yeah, it depends.
Sounds like a good.
Yeah, the contract differs. You understand? So we give different contracts. If it's a short film, it differs from a full movie, and it differs from normal skits. Do you understand that? But no matter what your content is, you are going to earn. And unlike YouTube, you don't have to get 1,000 subscribers to this watch hour. No. When you have 1,000 views, you get paid right there from after we do the auditing and everything. So yeah, that's about Kingkong Productions. Under Kingkong Productions, I have Amoke Farms, you know.
But what does Boju Boju means?
Boju Boju.
Yeah.
It means hide and seek.
Oh, okay. So what is it about?
It's about a lady that has a dark past, and then she got married to a prince, and then she got pregnant, and then her dark past haunted her. She started doing drugs, and then she had a miscarriage. She lost the child. So after losing the child, the husband got so sad to find out that she actually used drugs. She abused drugs, and then she has lost their child. So he wanted to punish her. So then he did vasectomy. That means, you know, making you unable to have a child, no matter how you get.
Yes, sir.
So he did that so that he's not going to be able to have a child with the lady, to punish her. So in the process, the family of the prince started pestering the lady to have a child. She also wanted to have a child. Everything around her was just screaming, have a child in her head. And then she fell for pressure. And then so let's leave it there. And then she actually went to do 1 or 2 bad things.
Do you have the subtitles in English?
Everything is in English, the subtitles. Yeah. But we spoke Yoruba majorly.
We have subscribed already, so yeah, I have.
I know, I trust you.
Yeah. You seem very relaxed and happy. Like, has the COVID-19 situation affected you anyhow?
Of course, it has affected the whole world in general. I'm a homebody. Most of the times you'll find me at home. Do you understand? But the moment you hear that, sit down there, then you don't want to sit down there. So, first of all, our freedom that has been taken away from us is, you know, is one thing to write about. Is it better here? Because I don't know if you can see
Yeah,
my
it's
face.
fine. Yes, I can see you.
Okay. So the freedom that has been taken away, first of all, is hair. Yes, my head is under the light now. That one, first of all, is hindering. And then on the other parts, I would say that other than the fact that people are sick all across the world and people have been dying, which is a very sad news, and then we've been restricted from doing a whole lot of things. I've used this period to realize a couple of things, to gain a couple of more things. You know, when situation arises in life, you have to reflect on the positive and how you can make the best of it. Do you understand? So the live show that I've been doing, I didn't start doing the live show before the lockdown. So this live show that I've done, other than the fact that a lot of people have gotten to know more about me, a lot of people have gotten to know a bit more about my personality, I've gained new members to the family, a whole lot. I've been able to gain a couple of more businesses. Do you understand? And then I've done a couple of new things when it comes to content creation. You get it? And then immediately after lockdown, I have about 4 movie projects that I've been invited to come and shoot. Yeah. And I've been, you know, we've negotiated, I've been sent the script and everything. So I would say that the positive effect of lockdown is what I see more, other than the fact that the sad part of people getting sick around the world, people dying and not being able to get to do what we want to do, people are hungry and several other things. Other than all those, I've been able to reflect on the positive part of it, and I've been able to do something impressive and nice, according to myself. Thank you.
Yeah, I think you're right. I mean, we also try to focus on the positive aspect of the situation. We are working on the businesses and focusing on the family as well, because there are many things that we cannot influence, you know, people losing lives, but then we can always help. We can contribute to development of people, and we are trying to do good as you do, I think, as well, even to do these giveaways. When I was telling my husband that, for example, like I would like to give away, and then what amount should we start from? And then he told me 5K, and I was like, yeah, but 5K is nothing. And then he told me no, because for 5K, if you manage it well, people can survive for even 1 week in Nigeria.
Yes.
And I was like, yeah, this is where you appreciate what you have, actually, because
yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I have the last question about this Agbako 2020. You don't want to talk about your own wedding. I don't understand that.
Whose wedding? What wedding?
There is no wedding.
There is no wedding anywhere.
Okay.
There will be no wedding.
Is your wife to be here? Is she present? Maybe we should hear her story first. I don't know.
There will be no wedding.
No wedding.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
She's
can you see? She's even yes. She's already saying yes. So I don't know what is.
Yes.
What have I done in this life to deserve this? Even every show that I get invited to, people will still be disturbing me about this very lady. I know what to do. I know what I will do. Don't worry. You will see that there will be no wedding by next week Friday. Let's see. Is that the last question?
No, yeah, the Agbainaki. That would be the final one. What does it mean and where the name came from?
Oh, my Elias is kingkong. Yeah. So the Agbainaki is not the direct Yoruba meaning of kingkong, but it's the closest I could get. You understand? King Kong is like, you know, the big King Kong in the jungle. Do you understand? So yeah, I thought in Yoruba, what does it really translate to? That is strong, effective, and catchy. So I thought Inoki is strong. And then I thought, okay, no disrespect, no nothing, but I want to call myself Agbainaki. You understand? So yeah. So I just thought Agbainaki, and Agbainaki it was.
Okay, so Inaki is strong, not Agbalagba. Inaki.
Inoki is not strong too. Inoki is like a monkey or chimpanzee or something.
Oh, okay. So what?
Yeah. So that's why people sometimes ask me why Inoki. I mean, why the name of an animal that is maybe ugly or this. Then I said I look beyond that. King Kong represents strength. You understand that?
Yes.
If you've seen the movie King Kong is so strong that nothing stops him in his way. So I see myself in that limelight that, you know, nothing in my way can ever stop me from my goals, achievements. Do you understand? So I'm King Kong. I'm Agbainaki. Okay. And one time, that's it.
Okay, so just the last 3 quick questions of choice. So then you have to choose one. So is it amala with eforiro or the pepper soup with fish?
Of course, amala.
Amala, yeah, I knew it. Yeah, yeah. Is it Lagos
amala,
or Abuja? Lagos or Abuja?
Lagos, Abuja, Lagos anytime.
Lagos anytime. Okay, and the last one, is it Arsenal or Arsenal?
Arsenal.
See, I'm representing today. Yes, because finally I'm hosting an Arsenal fan. Yes, I'm very happy.
Arsenal.
Yes, shout out to all the Arsenal fans.
Shout out to all Gunners.
Do you have like 2 minutes for one question from our fans?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, okay. Gunners for life. Yes, or yes. So, guys. Yeah, someone is asking, what about Arsenal that makes you cry all the time? Can you
that person,
9? Yes.
That person is a troublemaker. They want to spite me. That's all.
Yeah, what about Arsenal? Yeah, the weather at home for I'm seeing it as well, but then you don't want to talk about it, which I understand. Do you want your kids to understand Yoruba language?
Is that a question? I mean,
that's obvious. Yes.
Whichever kid of mine that does not understand Yoruba must be a bastard. And
then the last one. Just let me see. Do we have any? Okay, Lady Comfort is asking about the wedding again. No.
Tell her I told her.
People want you to get married though. By fire, by force.
In her wildest dream.
Now
she'll first go and take a picture of her stomach and send
it. No. Okay. And then, guys, last question. No, I can't see. Yes, just people saying thank you. Guys, last question. Oh, no. I can't see any.
Thank God. Bye.
Yes.
Oh, we go.
Yeah, some boss 4BB said that you are so full of wisdom and you always bring smiles to our face.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you all.
Yeah, I think that's a nice conclusion of our conversation today.
Nice. Yeah, I would like to give shout out to all my people in the building.
Thank you.
I said I would like to give shout out to all my people in the building before I go.
Oh, yes. Yes, you are welcome. We have 59 seconds remaining. Yeah, because it's 1 hour. Yeah, there's a limit.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you already know Agbainaki in the building, #1 on your screen and #1 in your heart. Agbainaki Republicans in the building tonight. You already know I got so much love for y'all. I see y'all tonight, and we go harder, and we're going to throw the same motherfucking flag, and we're going to do it in the Agbainaki Republican style. One more time, you already know we're all about love, we're all about unity, and we're all about moving forward. And that's the only place where you can be yourself. To all my people in the building, I want y'all to know that I respect you all. I love you all. There ain't no VIP among you all. You're all VVIP. One time for you. Agbainaki Republicans. Peace out. Don't the same motherfucking flag or say gay, gay, gay.
Amen to that. Yes. Thank you. It was a